Hello guys, and welcome to the new episode of Codewars series. So today we have a very simple kata, which we will solve, called Plural. It's 8Q and it's pretty easy to solve, you will see. So another one which is very simple, but yeah, let's keep solving those, and we will be solving even more complex katas in the future. Okay, yeah, let's start. So we need a simple function that determines if a plural is needed or not. So it should take a number and return true if a plural should be used with that number, or false if not. This would be useful when printing out strings such as 5 minutes, 14 apples, or 1 sun. You only need to worry about English grammar rules for this kata, where anything that isn't singular, one or something, it is in plural, so not one of something. All values will be positive integers or floats or zero. Okay, so considering this, I will just jump in and code our solution. So it says that our n, which is number, could be 0, and it will be a positive integer or float. So it means if n is just not 1, right, and then return true, right? So for 0, 0.5 to 100, etc., you will just return true, and otherwise you will just return false. Okay, so makes sense, right? We don't need else here because it will automatically jump into this part of code if this condition is not met. So yeah, let's try it out. So seems to be working. So one test passed, and let's see if we could have it passed here as well. Okay, seems to be it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next episode.